Now, in 1987, I made the mental shift that changes everything for me personally. I've developed the Property Pro investment system. That's a story by itself. And by developing that system, I discovered that with the right skills that you can acquire properties for free, literally for free. Now, there are two ways to get properties for free. The first one is if you've got income and security, you can go to the bank and the bank is going to give you a bond. But there are ways by having the skill and knowing how structures work and how to twist a property where that property will give you more income than what it's going to take you to pay the bond, as well as the levies, as well as the cost attached to that and after tax. So that's one way. And that's, by the way that I started off when I started in 1987 and bought my first investment property. But then there's a second way, and that is that you can do it without the banks. If you've got more skills, you can do that without going to the bank. You do not have to give them security. You do not have to show them that you have got the affordability in order to buy that. Now, you can also start business with no money and with no security. It's amazing. We are trapped in this thing that I need money to make money, and therefore we draw up business plans, take that to the bank, pledge all our security in order to start a business. It's the worst way that you can ever start a business. Yes, this happened on a day and a weekly basis. After I started applying this, 7 years later, we were financially free. Now, years after I've already retired, I first did my master thesis on residential property as investment instrument. Now, what is important about this is I see property as the investment instrument. It's not property that's going to make you rich. It's the knowledge that you have in order to use this instrument to give you that you want and what you need in order to become financially free. Now, what do I want and what do I need? I want my investment growth rate to be higher than my financial freedom growth rate. So I first need to calculate what and how hard must my money work for me. Then I use the property to see if that property, with the skills that I bring to that property, if that property can help me to grow my money, the growth on my money, so that it's more than my financial freedom growth rate. A simple example, if I need 10 million 10 years from now on, but I've only got 1,000 Rand to invest, then the question is how hard must that money work in order for me to reach that goal? And if you do an Excel calculation, you're going to see it's about 65%. So unless this property, the growth of my money that I'm going to put into this property, can't give me at least 65%, I'm not going to buy that property. That's the first part. Right. Now, after that, I did my PhD. And I did the PhD by applying the formula for wealth creation to develop entrepreneurs and investors. So the basics on the property I've already done with the masters on property. But with my PhD, I come and I said, okay, but there's a formula for wealth creation. How do I use this? How do I use the 6 mind powers that we've got to activate this? What is the process that I need to follow to start a business with no money or investment with absolutely no money? Or where I can dictate. For example, in the masters and actually in my PhD, I did a closed interdisciplinary result-based PhD. The reason why I did that was to prove that you can start business with no money and investment. I structured it for less than a Rand, 79 cents. And we turned that eventually into more than 10 million in 2 years and 7 months. This is the power of what I've got, but it's a closed. In other words, you can't go to university and say, I want to see the research on that. I kept the intellectual property for myself. And this is what I'm helping people and teaching people so that someone else can't take the credit for that. So these two theses are proved academically what I have already lived. Right. And that is that you do not need money or security to start a business, and you do not need a salary or a bank to acquire property. Of course, if you start off and you've got a salary, it's just a lot easier. But the principle stays the same. My IGR must be bigger than my FFGR. Otherwise, it's not going to work. So what you need in order to be able to do that is the skills. If you do not have the skills, it's not going to work. Right? And skills is one of the things that they will not teach you. The educational financial system, they will never teach you this. For the simple fact that if you know how to apply this to property or to a business, and how to turn your business into an investment, and you can get a 65 or 100% growth or a 3 million % growth over a 3-year period, there's no ways that you're going to take your money and give it to someone else to invest on your behalf, hoping that you're going to become rich. You're not going to do it, because now you understand the truth. You understand the power that's within you by gaining the skills. So they will never teach this to you. So when you apply the Wealth Creator strategy, which, by the way, if you do not know it, the definition for that is intelligent use of limited resources to go from where you are to where you want to be in the shortest possible time with the least amount of risk. Risk is when you do not understand what you're doing. So the only way to offset risk is for high value skills. The moment that you apply those skills, you identify the risk. Now I can learn the skills to offset, to manage, or to mitigate that risk. By doing that, I bring the risk down and I get the growth up. And the amount of money that I put into this venture, that's the risk. And that's the only risk that I'm going to take. Now, the moment that you do that, my friend, the results are inevitable. In other words, you are guaranteed to get to where you want to be on condition that you apply it and on condition that you do what you're supposed to do. Today, basically, I'm proving that again. In my PhD, I proved that. I've proved it several times, but in November 2021, I took on a challenge and I said, I'm going to turn 100 Rand into a 10 million property portfolio within 5 years. I'm still busy with that challenge. And at the moment, after 3.5 years, we're over 10 million and we've got the property portfolio. Now I'm going to see if I can't take it to 20 million, but that includes the business side as well as the crypto side. Right. You can follow this, by the way, in my YouTube channel, the 500K challenge. So the next question then is, but Hannes, how on earth do you overcome it? Well, first of all, I need to accept that money is not the starting point in this process. It's always mindsets and skill first. Some of the things that we can do is to commit. That is like intent. Commit to learning the Property Pro investment system. It's by far the quickest and the easiest way to start the process. My students, after a single day with no qualification, with no higher qualifications like degrees, without having math, can do in a single day what I'm doing. If we analyze the same property, we're going to get the same answer. A single day will change your life forever. Start with that. That's the easiest way to get into that. And you can start with that by having a job. And if you haven't got a job, you can also start with it, but then you need actually a little bit more skills to be able to do it. And once you start applying that, then how does this relate to the formula for wealth creation? Because the formula for wealth creation is where the magic, and this is why I've done my PhD on this, by applying the formula for wealth creation to develop entrepreneurs, because you have to develop. It's not something that is natural. You're not going to learn it in an MBA or in a CA or a CPA or a CFP curriculum. It is not possible, because those are the systems that give those qualifications. It is not a wealth creator the way you can create whatever you want. So another way that I can suggest is start small. Take small steps. You know, turn 0 into a rand. Do you know that a 0 to a rand is an infinite growth, And then you take the rand and you turn it into 10 rand. You take the 10 rand, you turn it into 100, 100 into 1,000, 1,000 into 10,000. And then the 10,000 to 100,000, 100,000 into 1 million. And if you understand the process like my students, you can start a business and on the same day that you started the business, make 1.4 million. And I'll prove that in one of the webinars that I'm going to invite you to. And all you have to do in order to get to your goal is to make sure that your investment growth rate is higher than your financial freedom growth rate. And I'll teach you on an Excel spreadsheet within 5 minutes how to calculate your own financial freedom plan growth rate yourself. Now, if you are ready to change your paradigm and see how to create wealth without the banks, you want to see that, then why don't you join our free Property Accelerator Masterclass? You're going to find the link to that masterclass just below in the description area or somewhere on this page. You click on that, you make sure that you pitch up, because that, I can almost say, I think that it will be the beginning of a total new paradigm shift that you are going to go through. Because At the end, after I share with you the secrets, I'm going to show you in real life how I've turned less than 100 Rand into a property portfolio more than 10 million. It's part of that. It's the same exact strategy that I've applied since 1987. I started teaching this in 2002, right? And I'm offering to share this blueprint with you. Until next time, I want you to think smarter, act bolder, and live free. And if you do, I guarantee that I'll see you at the top.